I came across this Reddit post, and honestly, I think it perfectly describes where a lot of people are when they first want to get into dropshipping. He basically said, I have no knowledge, I don't want to waste my time or money, and I'm ready to pay someone to actually teach me. And if you're in the same position, there's something I want you to know before you spend hundreds of dollars on a course or coaching. Don't pay yet. There's actually a place you can start for free. It's called Rippy Club. They have a free community with more than 35,000 members where you can get inside, explore the content, learn from other people, and see if dropshipping is actually something you want to pursue. And honestly, that's important because the biggest problem for beginners isn't a lack of information. It's too much information. You can spend weeks watching YouTube videos, comparing different strategies, tools, and gurus, and still have no idea what you should actually do. That's why starting with a free community makes sense. You can learn first, see what's actually useful, and then decide if you want to spend money. And if you do decide to take dropshipping seriously, Rippy Club also has an AI dropshipping toolkit. It's currently $7 a month with 20% off, giving you a much cheaper way to access AI tools and resources for dropshipping instead of immediately spending hundreds of dollars. So you have two options. Start completely free with the community, or if you want to go further, check out the AI dropshipping toolkit for $7 a month. I'll leave both links in the description. If you're a beginner and you don't want to waste your time or money figuring everything out alone, start with the free option and take it from there.